You know, as short as vacuum the carpet sounds in Azerbaijani, it's a bit longer. Let's see why. In Master Azerbaijani word of the day, we have the word XALÇA. XALÇA. XALÇA is a carpet or a rug. Let's see some phrases first. To vacuum the carpet. Nice and short, right? Woven rug or magic carpet. Let's see. XALÇanı tozsoranla təmizləmək. It's kind of long, isn't it? Because tozsoran is the vacuum cleaner, təmizləmək to clean. So in this case, if you want to say to vacuum the carpet, you're just going to say XALÇanı tozsoranlamaq or XALÇanı tozsoranla təmizləmək. Now, woven rug, toxunma XALÇA. To weave, toxumaq. Woven rug, toxunma XALÇA. Magic, magical, sehrli. Magic carpet, Sehrli XALÇA. Let's see some sentences. Bugün xalçanı tozsoranla təmizlədim. Or, if you want to sound even more native, bugün xalçanı tozsoranladım. Let's see the translation. I vacuumed the carpet today. Nice and easy, huh? Today is bugün. Xalçanı the carpet. Tozsoranla with vacuum cleaner. Təmizlədim, cleaned. Or tozsoranladım. I vacuumed the carpet today. I know. Let's see another one. Bu otaq üçün daha kiçik xalça lazımdır. A smaller rug is needed for this room. Bu otaq üçün for this room. Daha kiçik, smaller. Remember daha and, that's how we use comparison. Daha, smaller, and the smallest. Kiçik, small, obviously. Xalça lazımdır. A rug is needed. Lazım, need. That was my way of using today's word xalça in Azerbaijani sentences and phrases. I have an easier way. Let me know if you have seen. Have you ever dreamed of having magic xalça, or have you ever seen one? Airplanes don't count. Thanks so much for watching. Check masterazerbaijan.com if you're interested in learning Azerbaijani in much more efficient and fun ways. Otherwise, I'll see you tomorrow for a new word. Cheers.